Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. So today I wanted to share with you a box of yarn that I got in. This is an unboxing from Yarnspirations. I got an email that they had some sales going on, and I just had a few minutes, so I just kind of clicked on the email and was looking through, and I saw that these mystery boxes of yarn or mystery bags of yarn were on sale for $4.79. They're regular $7.99, and it's for 1 pound of yarn. And so I don't normally order yarn online. I like to get mine from a local store. And I'm not saying like a locally owned store, but just a local store such as Michael's or Hobby Lobby, because in my town over the past few years, and especially this past year, we have stores closing like left and right. There are so many empty buildings in town, and then since the pandemic, there's just more and more and more stores closing, shutting down, because people aren't out shopping and whatever. Most people are ordering online, like Amazon is great. I love ordering on Amazon, but then also I hate it for the local stores. And like I said, I'm not talking about just the mom and pop shops, but I hate it for them too. But even the chain stores, if the, town can't support the store, then they have to shut down, and we have an empty building there. And I do want to keep Michael's and Hobby Lobby. That's the two stores I have close to me. And I'm sure, you want to keep Joann's and whatever other yarn stores are close to you. But anyway, so I just went ahead and ordered it because it was a pound of yarn for $4.79, and I know at Michael's like a pound of love or whatever, that Karen pound of yarn is like $10, and so even the $7.99 is a good deal. But the $4.79, I just couldn't pass that up. So anyway, enough about that. So I have got my box in, and so we're fixing to see what's in. So I've never ordered these boxes before, or mystery bags, or whatever you call them. So I'm excited to see what I get. Here is some white yarn. It looks like I'm assuming that's a pound. I don't know what a pound weighs. I don't know what a pound feels like. Okay, so this white is not just a solid white. There's a metallic thread through here, so you can see it right there, I think. So it's kind of a sparkly white. That's cool. I have a little drawer over here where I have my metallic yarn or sparkle yarn that I've gotten at Hobby Lobby. Like I have some purple, maybe turquoise and red, a few like that, but I don't have any white. So this is cool. I can put this in that drawer, and then when I have a project where I'm going to use some sparkly yarn, and who knows, I might come up with something for Christmas to use that with. So that is cool. I like that. Okay, the next thing I see is this yellow, and it looks like it's 4 big balls of this yellow. I don't know why I'm looking at the package. It says the same thing as the last package. But it looks like a number 4 weight yarn, and this one actually looks like either a thin 4 or maybe even a 3. But it may just be a thin looking 4. This definitely looks like a 4, and it is a bright yellow. It doesn't tell like colors on here or anything that I'm aware of, but that is a bright yellow. I don't know. I don't have any yellow projects in mind. Okay, the other one is orange, and it looks the same brand and same everything as that yellow. A good 4 weight yarn. It is just orange. So I don't really have an idea for yellow and orange. Oh, and the other one I got is white. And this looks like a, it's probably a 4, but just a thin 4. And I guess that one down there is a 4 too, but probably a thin 4. But this is just white yarn. And that's cool. I do use a lot of white. Often I'll run out of white and have to, like, get one of the boys to pick me up some white to bring me home. And then sometimes they pick up soft white. And if your project was in white and you try to add soft white into it, you can definitely tell. So, I don't know. I'll have to compare this to another white. Look here, I have a white layer here. This, I love this yarn white. I think this is white instead of soft white or off white. So the only other thing in here is just my paperwork. So I got these bags for $4.79. I don't know if I said that wrong. For $4.79 a bag. I have white, orange, and yellow. And the sparkle. And I'm glad to get that sparkle. Because if I had bought, like, I love this yarn, metallic with the sparkle, it would have been probably one of these for like $4.99 at Hobby Lobby. So I got 3 of them for $4.79. So I guess that is a good deal on that. The yellow and the orange, probably not the colors I would have chose for myself, but it was a mystery, so you don't know what you're getting. And I'll just have to come up with a project that uses yellow and orange. Maybe not together. And it might be next fall before I get around to using those colors up. I don't know. But I'm satisfied with it. Like I said, you know, it's a mystery. It's a gamble. You don't know what you're going to get. But it was a fun surprise to see what I did get. And so I'm happy with it. And I probably would do this again. You know, not right now, but I probably would in the future if I had the extra money and just was, didn't really care what I was going to get. So that is my unboxing from Yarnspirations. And I'll leave the link below because the sale is still going on. Sorry. I'll leave the link below so you can check out their website. It looks like they have a lot of things on sale and such going on, probably for Black Friday sales and all that kind of stuff. So check it out and see if they have anything that you need. Or maybe don't need, but order anyway. Thanks, guys, for checking in and seeing what I got from Yarnspirations. See y'all again real soon.